Okay, annyeonghaseyo, Kimi.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so this is a warning video with regards of your absences. So you already know, we informed that if mo absent nga wala nag-inform sa amua, then naagid may sanction nga pagabuhaton. So what is man your reason sa mga absences nimo nga dili jud ka kapananghid sa amua, even text or pamalihog sa imong mga classmate nga mo matambong sa time?
Gahapon tigi ka nang nagkuan mi sa mga creative ang nagnahumprat lang na dugayan ko guli kay kanang nag-ulan eh. Mun ako ka online kay ako pang
How about karon nga day?
ni adto mi sa eskwelahan kay nag-practice no. Wala ko kadto kay wala ko cellphone kay nakatuog sila akong ate.
Okay, so warning ni siya nga video since nihatag na kog many chances with regards sa absences. So last month sad hatag sad kog many excuses as well as karon nga month. So nihatag sad kog excuses. So natay agreement. So twice naman nimo nga absent, right? Nga wala inform sa amo. So if maka-absent na pud kag last, ang agreement nato is matangtang na jud ka sa channel. Okay? I mean to say, matangtang ka sa study room, but dili sa channel. Pwede lang gyapon ka maka-join sa live, but sa study room is ara ka matangtang. Because naaman gud mi gi-follow nga attendance. Okay? So mao ni siya ang rule namo sa channel nga 3 times absences sa study room is matangtang na siya without informing us. Okay ra?
Kung
Okay.
ikaw mga next month guro tiba kay murag mag festival na ni kini. Dugay na dito ko mauli anak.
Okay, so nana nga daghan mga activities sa school pero i-inform lang jud mi. Ana lang na siya i-inform kay isod man sad kay wala mi kay baw unsay mga hitabo sa inyo ha with regards sa school kay naman mi i-follow. But if in case na kay absences nga wala ka pananghid sa amua, last chance, so matangtang na if dili mag-inform. But if mag-inform, ma-excuse gid namo kay makaibaw man mi. Ha? Okay. So, don't get me wrong because rules man ni namo. But dili matangtang sa channel ha, sa study room. Okay? So, okay. Thank you, Kimi. I hope ang atong agreement is nakagets ra pud ka sa akong gusto i-relay sa imuha. Okay? So, no hard feelings. It's only part of rules. Kaya naaman mo good may rules nga gisunod. So, amo sad is nagbuhat ra sad mi sa amo ang rules or duty namo or obligation namo as a volunteer teacher. Okay? So, thank you sa imong time, Kimi. Then, I hope nga mag-inform na gid ka sa amo ha. Then pwede ra nimo isulti nila if dili ka ka-chat, pamalihog ka sa imong classmate nga palihog kog sulti, teacher Pel nga dili ko ka-adto sa study room or ka-appeal sa study class. Okay? Okay, thank you, Kimi.
7 times 8?
56.
Minus 2?
54.
Forward, Stephen. 5 times 5?
55.
Minus 8?
18.
Times 2? Duha ka da si Otso.
Ayun, 60 ako.
Hmm.
38.
Pila?
36.
Okay, forward, Stephen. 7 times 7?
49.
Minus 7?
430.
Wa ko. Backward. Basta masayop, dili mo forward. 7 times 8?
56.
Divided by minus 6
50.
times 2.
100.
Okay, forward Stephen. 4 times 8.
32.
Forward. 7 times 2.
14.
Forward Stephen. And 3 times 3.
9.
Minus 9.
0.
Very good. Why mo forward? Kay pareha mong answer. 6 times 3.
18.
Minus 6.
12.
Okay, forward Stephen. Bye! Bye, oy!
Okay, so let's check everyone. Have you done exchanging your notebooks?
Yes.
Mana? Manawa pa.
Ana.
Okay, so everyone, read number 1.
The ice cream is blank.
Okay, the ice cream is blank. What adjective should we use to describe the ice cream? Cold. Very good. 1 point. Number 2, read.
The library is blank.
The library is blank. The library is what?
Quiet.
Quiet. Very good. Number 3, read.
The door is too blank.
The door is
Too blank.
too blank. Okay, what's your answer?
Narrow.
Narrow. Okay, very good. 1 point. Kian, read number 4.
The floor is blank.
The 4 is blank. What's your answer?
Clean.
Clean. Very good. 1 point. Look at the paper you're checking, ha? Okay, Angel, read number. What number are we now? Number 5?
5.
Okay.
The clown is blank.
The clown is blank. What's your answer?
Funny.
Funny. Very good. 1 point. Number 6, Kuya Makoy.
The chili is blank.
Stand up.
The chili is
The chili is blank. What's your answer?
Spicy.
Spicy. Very good. Kirai.
The tree is black.
The tree is blank. What's your answer?
Tall.
Tall. Very good. Okay. Leah Rich. Read number. What number are we now? What number are we checking now?
8.
Number 8. Leah Rich. Read number 8.
The rainbow is blank.
The rainbow is blank. What's your answer? Colorful. Very good. Okay, colorful number 8. Maxine? Number 9.
The snake is blank.
The snake is what?
Poisonous.
Poisonous. Very good. Check your paper. Okay, everyone, read number 10.
The brownie is too blank.
The brownies is too
Blank.
blank. Okay. What's your answer? Sweet. Very good. So, who got 10 over 10? 10 over 10. Kian, you're not done checking pa? Okay, who got 10 over 10? Kian.
10.
Okay, so everyone got perfect? Nagsinuhiray mo, no?
Wala.
Ano na perfect man mo, be?
So easy.
Unsa man din ang adjective?
Adjective.
Adjective is describing
Word.
words. Very good.